Hello guys, my name is Aarvi Negi. So today we are learning a pencil science experiment. But first, let's remove these. So see, it looks like a fountain. Fountain. Whoa! It looks like a taking bath place. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! So first, we need a poly bag. Second, we need to put the water inside. So guys, see this. We'll just put the all water inside. Okay. So we need some more water. Okay. So like this, we're gonna put some more water in the cup. Look, see, it's like almost full. Well. Made this full. And we're gonna pour. Okay, that much water is enough, is it? And then let's put some little. So let's just.
More water, Aarvi. Put little more water.
Okay, so like you always need a parent, but today is like a first time. So let's just need no parent for first time. No parent. So we're gonna put more.
Little more.
More and more. Oh my god, these are so much. I like so much.
Yes, that's enough.
So and then we're gonna try this.
First, I think you have to put some color.
No need it.
Drop of color. Color.
Drop.
2 drop only, okay? I
It's
think.
like
Not like this.
so. It looks like lemon.
Give me. I can help you.
I
No?
opened it. Okay, so that's we need only 2 drops. 2. Oops, I just did 3. And then we need to close. Close means open. And open means close. And then we need to shake. Oh my god, it's not even tightened up. Okay, we need to tie the poly bag up, and we'll just take a sharp pencil and poke inside. But first we need to shake till it becomes well time. And then we need, oh my god, that's filling. That's filling. Only sharp pencils. Oh my god. Sharp pencils. 2 together. Nope. You don't need any 2 together. Like any grown up. Or like a toe. Oh my god. It's so hard to poke in. Like we already need a sharp pencil. Not like a loose pencil, which is not even sharpened. All my sharps, my pencil escaped to this. I love pencils because they always let me draw. And poke, boom. It got poked, and now the fun part is we need to remove. Fast. Look at this, a fountain full of water. Water. It's like a fountain full of water. Look, see, fountain. Wee. Getting used to it. Wee. Oh my god, that much water. Oh my god. Look at this. Only some water is left. And then we can open this and pour all the water inside. Look at that. I can see you. So do you want to do it again? Are you sure? Hello guys, look at this. I already made a half like water. And look at this, it got all the way to the line and I just closed it. And now see, now the funnest part. Let's put some pencils. This will be a little bit tricky because when we put some water, it can also spill sometimes. It was big. So we're gonna make like separate and separate, like a little space, and then we'll put another pencil, a little space. Oh my god, this is so hard. Boom. All the way to here. Here, my name is Baby. So we can only put some pencils, not many. Look at this. Look at this. I only put it 1, 2, 3, 4. And now the funnest part. It will get so messy, but oh my god. Oh my god, my knees are getting wet. My knees are getting wet. Don't you see me? Look at this. Only this water is in there. Get out. To spill. This one here. Like this. Like this one. This one. Done. Like this. Jump. Oh, look at this. There is only some little water going to the left and right. We're gonna and this. Pour the water. We need to save some water.